How much should you actually spend on a Pancake air compressor? Because some people are thrilled with the budget options, while others are disappointed in the pricey ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Metabo HPT The Tank. The Metabo HPT air compressor, dubbed The Tank. Priced at $199, this one caught my attention with its impressive 200 psi capacity. If you want serious power for your pneumatic tools, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 200 psi, it delivers 25% more pressure than typical Pancake compressors, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The 6-gallon tank ensures you have enough airflow, delivering 4 CFM at 90 psi, which means you can run multiple large nailers at the same time without a hitch. That's essential for keeping your projects moving along efficiently. Now, some people complained about the noise level, rated at 73 decibels. Here's the thing though, it's comparable to a vacuum cleaner, and for the power it packs, it's a trade-off many pros are willing to make. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or DIY enthusiast who needs dependable performance for nailing, framing, and more. Skip this one if noise is a deal breaker for you, but honestly, the performance makes it worth considering. Now, if the noise level of the Metabo HPT bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Craftsman 2-gallon. The Craftsman 2-gallon portable air compressor priced at $149.99. This lightweight model really stood out to me with its included 10-piece accessory kit. If you want a versatile option for home use, this is definitely worth checking out. What's great about this compressor is its oil-free pump, which means you won't have to deal with messy maintenance. Plus, it maxes out at 125 psi, providing enough power for tasks like tire inflation and small spray jobs. With a weight of only 19 pounds, it's incredibly portable, making it perfect for moving around your garage or job site. However, some users found that the compressor struggles with continuous use, especially for larger tasks. But here's the thing, if you're using it for lighter jobs, it's more than capable. It's not meant for heavy-duty work, so if that's your primary need, look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want a compact compressor for small jobs around the house. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty applications, but for the price, it's a solid deal for homeowners. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more capacity.
Product number 3, EcoMax 3-gallon. Let's talk about the EcoMax 3-gallon air compressor, priced at $129.99. This one caught my eye with its lightweight design and impressive 110 psi max. If you're after a budget-friendly yet effective option, this deserves your attention. The 3-gallon tank and 0.6 SCFM at 90 psi make it a great fit for tasks like airbrushing and inflating tires. It's only 16.3 pounds, and the flip-up handle makes it unbelievably easy to carry. Plus, it comes with 11 accessories, so you're ready to tackle various jobs right out of the box. That said, some users noted that it might not hold up for extended heavy use. But to be real with you, if you're just using it for lighter tasks or occasional jobs, it's a fantastic deal. This compressor is designed for convenience and portability, which is a huge plus. This is perfect for you if you need something lightweight for small tasks. Skip this one if you need something for continuous heavy-duty work, but honestly, it can cover a lot of ground for the price. Now, if you need a bit more power, the next option could be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, EcoMax 6-gallon. We have the EcoMax 6-gallon air compressor, which is priced at $179.99. I was impressed by its 175 psi maximum pressure, which is a step up from many competitors. If you want something powerful that can handle various tasks, this is worth considering. This compressor delivers 3 CFM at 90 psi, which means it can support multiple tools simultaneously. It's great for everything from nailing to inflating tires. The quick recovery time is impressive as well, taking only 46 seconds. That's a real time saver for busy projects. Now, some customers mentioned that it might be a bit noisy at 75 decibels. But here's the thing, for the power and performance, it's pretty standard among Pancake compressors. If you're using it in a garage or workshop, the sound shouldn't be too distracting. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile compressor for both home projects and light industrial use. Skip this one if noise is a concern, but overall, it's a solid investment for serious DIYers. Alright, let's wrap things up with our final product, which might just be the best mix of power and portability.
Product number 5, Metabo HPT EC711S. We have the Metabo HPT Pancake air compressor, priced at $189. This 6-gallon model stands out with its efficient oil-free motor. If you're looking for a reliable compressor that's easy to transport, this one is definitely worth your time. With a maximum of 165 psi and 2.8 CFM at 90 psi, it's built to keep up with your nailing needs. The quick couplers allow for seamless tool changes, and it's lightweight at just 38.5 pounds, making it easy to move around. Plus, it has a faster recovery time than many others at just 46 seconds. However, some users pointed out that it might not be suitable for larger tools due to its CFM output. But honestly, for most home and moderate professional tasks, it holds up well. It's a dependable option for those who need consistent air pressure without the hustle of maintenance. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable compressor for various applications. Skip this one if you need something for high-demand industrial use, but for the power and features, it's very much worth it.
We've gone through some solid Pancake air compressors today. Metabo HPT's powerful options, Craftsman's lightweight model, EcoMax's budget-friendly choices, and the versatile performance of the Metabo HPT EC711S. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy compressing.